Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to my channel. I am in Riga in Latvia. It's a wonderful capital here and I would like to show you what's going on here Friday night. It is a little rainy, so people have a lot of umbrellas, but it is not very much rain, so I will not try to fix an umbrella here because it's very complicated. If you are the more daring type, you can go to a strange place here, a nightclub, where you can have Medusa pipe, water pipe. I'm not really sure what is going on here. I was forbidden taking pictures. This is a nightclub. Came a doorman and said, go away, don't take pictures, we don't like them. So I went away. This looks like a car who is divided on the middle. In the middle, and it is not, it is a motorbike city. You can see that, a city taxi, a rickshaw. John Fogerty music. They are rolling there. It is a little tempting to try a Friday night massage here, but well, you really don't know what's going on in a place like that. So there are churches and restaurants all over the place. You can see here down there. So this is one thing that Riga is famous for, it's glass art and it's restaurants, cozy places. And cobblestone streets everywhere. It's a little rain, so it shines so beautiful. And here you can see lightning. The past is over, the future can wait, so it's in the now you shall live, is the conclusion. St. Peter's Church. You can go inside and listen to organ music, I'm sure. They have a lot of wonderful, pretty, beautiful churches here in this town. Sinner's Bar. Oh, it's temptation. They probably don't want me to take pictures. The Irish pub. Here, Paddy Wheeler's. Nice place. If you're Irish. More live music. Very good. Blues music. Oh, nobody is in the boat. Shit. They have a lot of funny shops with funny things. Rock Cafe, Riga. Yeah, it's difficult to go in there. There's a doorman who's checking. And this is videos of people entertaining. Så kommer der bicycle her. Bicycle, yes. Very good. Riga by night. Biker night.
Find a good karaoke bar, do it.
She's still there, beautiful.
Don't days are done and no days are here. My Sonny